In relation to the report on supervised injection centres, this is something which Councillor Sheehan will know also from our experience on the Drugs Task Force. It is something which is actively being looked into, which is reflected in the report, and something which is evolving is the nature of the centre within Cork City, and the report refers to a report of UCC on the nature of drug taking in Cork, and that it may be necessary to shift from what we think of, which is the case in Dublin, of a supervised injection centre for heroin users, to something more broadly, a consumption room for a broad range of addictive substances that people need to use. And that we would support within the framework of a health-based approach to that, or at least support the consumption room within that framework. Something else which was discussed, which I think would be beneficial, is the idea of a trip to see the injection centre in Dublin being used. There was the visit previously to Lisbon, which obviously has had a great impact to members here, because it is repeatedly referred to in terms of how it changed people's outlook. I think it would be important, now that we have an example in Dublin, that we can see how this works in the Irish context. That is being organised, and something which I raised at that meeting of the Drugs Task Force is that it would be open to members of this council to take part in that, because I think the political leadership that we have shown so far came from that visit to Lisbon. I think we should follow on through that now through a visit to Dublin. Thank you, Lord Mayor.
Thank you, Co-Lord.